Well, no, there's no need to shoot. Go. Go.
Adam, it's time to go work on the car. Let's go.
I know, I just sat on the toilet, son.
Pinch it off. All right. Today, we are putting a new exhaust, a catback exhaust on this Is350 2006. So, old exhaust was blown out. It wasn't stock, but it was hollow. So, it sounded awful. So we're going to put this new exhaust on it. It was the cheapest exhaust on the market by far. Looks nice from here. We're going to see how it mounts up. So it looks like it is a J2 engineering, as you can see right there. Looks nice and shiny, that's for sure. Little man's been here just unpacking everything, so good deal. So we're gonna go through getting it mounted up and let you guys know how it mounts up. Obviously it's the cheapest one on the market, so we're hoping everything goes well, but sometimes with cheap things you get what you pay for. So we're gonna do a sound test for you. I'll put the link in the bio below on where you can order this from. This is for the rear wheel drive Is350 with the R34 Skyline wheels. Let's go. So let's get into it. Let's get into this, get this up there. I didn't want to show you guys taking off the other exhaust because not only was it not stock, it sounded awful. It was embarrassing. So we'll just start. I had to cut some bolts off and stuff, so you guys don't need to see that. That's pretty self-explanatory. If it's not unbolted, just cut those bolts off. So we're about to install this. Let's do this. All right. So as you just saw, it all went pretty well. So I need to tighten all of it up, but it looks nice. All the hanger mounts were spot on. That was perfect. Some of the flanges seem to be at a little bit of an off angle, but it all went together, so really no complaints there. So we're about to tighten it up, then we'll see how it sounds. So I'll tighten all these up. They are all 14s on both sides. I'll double check that real quick, but $14. Oh, I lied to you. Looks like a 14 and a 16 will do. So we're gonna go through, tighten all these up and do a sound check. But overall, even by myself, the install went pretty easy. So let's get this thing tightened up and see how it sounds. All right, it's all tightened up. So we're about to do a first start up. We're gonna give the camera to little man so he can hold it and you can hear that first fire up. So here, so just hold it right there, facing the car. You stay there.
I can see it. You need to lower it. Don't get it in my face.
sound so bad back here. Sorry about that. Inside the car it seems pretty quiet. We'll go do some pulls and see what we think of the sound whenever it's under load. So we'll get this thing on the ground. Lit up like a Christmas tree. Yeah, we'll get this thing on the ground, do a few pulls, and see how it sounds inside the car. Maybe be able to drop him off on the side of the highway and see if he can do some pulls by him. Just kidding, we're not doing that. Hopefully we'll have a homie come by. So, not bad though. Exhaust went on in probably 45 minutes once I got the stock exhaust off. So, overall,
Take it off that.
I will. Overall though, yeah, I rated about a 9 out of 10 so far, because price was about half as much as every other exhaust on the market. I think it was like $380 or so. So, yeah, paying up to about $1,000 for an exhaust just wasn't something I wanted to do. Not bad. Sounds like a little bit of exhaust leak underneath there, so might need to check the gaskets, tighten them up a little bit.
About to do some sound bits of J2 Engineering exhaust.
Yep. It's on eBay for $379.99. Shipped.
And they normally pull a premium.
Yeah.
That's a steal. Window started working. Is that only when it rains for the window, or that was this morning?
That was just the radio.
Sorry, Mom.
Put her in sport mode so we can hear her sing.
Yeah. Put that baby in sport. Oh, that cluster is sweet. Heck of skid marks still. I wonder who's been doing that. No way. That thing sounds so good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we got some Evans family. They're watching me. They don't like it. Gosh, that thing sounds good. These people are like, what is this kid doing? Alright. Well, no, there's no need to shoot. Go. Go. We need to go. Bye, Karen. he said, hey, fuck you, I'm calling the cops. I got my pistol. What? Yeah, dude. That was funny. Sounds wicked, dude. Sounds so good. When you did the first peel, I didn't even see him. And then I just started looking around. And then I saw them, and dude, they're just staring me down. And I got them on GoPro. That was funny.
Oh, yeah, I didn't realize they were there.
Dude,
I did see the racing on the trailer though, so I'm like,
yeah, you would think.
we're all good. They like the limiters and burnouts and stuff.
right. That's what I figured as
Yes, they
well.
don't.
They do not. But that was so funny. I called the cops. Dude, you do a couple of burnouts and I guess people just want to straight up fight these days. Tires aren't terrible, are they? No, not terrible.
Bad.
Actually, these are pretty good, dude. For Kinsey.
Overall, we give the J2 engineering exhaust 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it sounds
10
great.
out of 10. You heard it. Sounds amazing.
It sounds great. It looks good. These tips probably a little bit bigger, aren't they? Or you think they're right about the same?
A little bit bigger, yeah.
And then the canisters stick out
Yeah. Yep.
a little bit. This booty of this car, I'm in love. I'm in love. Well, get you a J2. Maybe
right.
I have to get some sponsorship.
J2.